Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Today I want to talk about a really good editor you can use to edit p5.js files and also have the editor create a local server for you at the same time so that you can test out whether your pictures work and whether there are any errors in the code. The editor will tell you as well. So it's a really good way of editing p5.js app. And to get this editor called processing, what you need to do is you need to go to processing.org. You need to type that into Google, processing, and you need to just click download. And I'm just going to download the latest version 3.5.3 for whatever operating system you have. I have Windows 64-bit. Once you click that, you will get a zip file. So if you click on that, you will get a zip file processing, and you can see it's downloading that right now. And once it's downloaded, you can just unzip the files to a folder, which I've already done, and these are the files in the zip file that I have extracted. So copy them out into a folder you want, and there is your editor. So you don't need to install it or anything. And after you go get into the editor, so I'm just gonna double click on the executable file to open it up. And you can see here that it's opening up processing 3. And what you want to do is in the top right hand side, it will originally be in Java mode, and you want to switch to p5.js mode. If p5.js is not there, you can just click on add mode, and these are all the different modes you have. So switch to p5.js mode. You might need to install it for a couple more minutes. Once you switch to p5.js, you can then use that to create a p5.js project. And the good thing is it automatically creates an index.html for you that embeds your JS file as well as the p5 library. So it's automatically done. So all you do is let's say you want to draw an ellipse. Let's just go ellipse 0, 0, 100, 100, and you guys should know what that's going to look like. Now, to run the code, instead of switching to Chrome, you can just click run, and it'll automatically open it up in Chrome for you, and you can see that is our result, the ellipse. Okay, and the cool thing is it started a server running at this address. So let's say I want to save this sketch. So you can just go save. Where do you want to save it? Well, save it on my desktop. Call it p5.js test sketch. Okay, put it in there. You can see that it's even modified the sketch name to put in underscores in the instead of space, because that's what it needs. Okay, so now what we're going to do is test to see whether it can insert a picture. Okay, so where is this file located? So let's go back to my desktop. Let's go back to my desktop and try to find my test sketch. Yes, so I'm going to try and insert a picture in here. So let's grab some sort of picture from Google and put it in. So images dot swim dog. Okay, let's grab this picture. Save image as. Put it in my desktop p5.js test sketch. Alright, and just call it dog.jpg. Okay, and who remembers the code for inserting pictures? No one. So let's go p5.js image. And there it is. Oops. There it is. So we load the image. create a canvas, load the image, and then display the image. So let's just do that. Create canvas. Okay, so we create a canvas. Alright, and then we load the image. So where's the code for that? We create an image variable, and then we load the image. Put the file name. Alright, and then we display it. And let's see if that opens up. So let's run and you can see the dog picture shows up. So you don't even need to upload it to a server. Alright, well that is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.